Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos using chroma key effect in kinemaster. So all you have to do right now is open your project in in kinemaster. So you can tap on layer and then tap media here. So you can choose the media from here. So this is become your layer here. So you can adjust the position of this a layer here, for example, and tap on the media, the second media. Try to scroll down and try to search chroma key. Here the chroma key, let's enable the chroma key, and you can try decrease the background here, and you can increase the main prop objects. So if you have a green screen, better with use the media with the green screen. So you can make chroma key perfectly here. So let's see. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.